How to sign in BambooHR employee. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Launch a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, you need to search for BambooHR login. In here, at the top, just click on Login page for BambooHR users. To enter your BambooHR, you actually have to enter your company domain. Just enter the company domain that you have purchased from your BambooHR. After which, click on the Continue button. If you don't know what is your domain, just click on What's My Domain. Now it will suggest you where to actually look for. You have to look at the address bar where you are logged in your BambooHR. At the top, you will find your company's name, then it will add the suffix of your BambooHR. And that is your domain that you have to enter to log in into your BambooHR employee login. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.